Hey everyone, today we are going to make a gear shift shaft for a Dodge Viper. A friend of mine asked me if I'd be able to fix one, but after looking at it and seeing that it's been welded and messed about with, I actually think it'd be easier just to make one from scratch. So here we go. So this is a piece of 4140 I got from metal supermarkets. Just going to clean out the end and then center drill it, and then we'll start drilling the big hole. Just make sure my tailstock's clean before I put the drill chuck in. Pilot in there. Start with a smaller drill and then work up to my final size for putting the tap in. Brand new. Woo, very shiny. Starting the 1/2 inch 20 tap in the chuck, and then we'll finish it off. And then we'll run the bottoming tap just to clean the hole all the way. Now we got the internal hole made. Just going to turn the outside diameter down to match what the original is. We're obviously going to shorten it by about 1 inch. So I've just marked out where the groove goes for the little boot or gaiter that goes around the bottom of the gear stick. This is going to be exactly the same as the original. Just turning this down now to make the 1/2 inch 20 external thread, which I will single point cut on the lathe. Just cut my myself a small relief there so I can start my thread without worrying about being too close to the centre. I'm just going to set up the tool so it's straight to the workpiece, and then we'll get threading. I don't have any thread measuring tools. I will be hopefully getting some soon. So I'm just going to use a die just to go over the thread. It's pretty much mostly cut, just to put it to final size. And here I'm just going to cover up the ways while I clean it off, some Scotch-Brite, and we'll try it out, make sure the thread's right. And then I'll chop the little piece off on the end and just clean it up back in the lathe. So I had some help from a friend of mine. He's got a YouTube channel called Everett's Workshop. He helped me put some flats onto the shaft so that it can be obviously done up. We went over to his house and we put it in the mill and machined some flats, and it looked lovely afterwards, and you can see from here. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll put some more videos out again soon, get back into the swing of it, and I'll see you all next time.